Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So we are going to be doing an entire face of E.L.F Cosmetics. You guys know this is one of my favorite affordable brands, and I am using some of my favorite products, which includes the E.L.F Cosmetics CC Cream. I know I have talked you guys' ears off about this product, but we are all about full coverage today. So this is one of the products that is going to be helping with this full coverage, and we're also doing a little bit of color. Also, before we get into the tutorial, I want to thank E.L.F Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. So I'm so excited to be partnering with them once again. I have worked with E.L.F Cosmetics several times, so I am so excited to be working with them once again in today's video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I came about with this entire look using their products, then let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into a primer. This is the E.L.F Glow Up Primer Serum. I feel like this is a little bit similar to one of my favorite primers from E.L.F, which is their Hydrating Primer Serum. So it has the same little dropper. And this one actually has, hold on. It has a little shimmer in it, but once you rub it in, you can't see the shimmer. It's just gonna give you that extra hydration, that extra glow to your skin. A lot of you know I like to do my brows before anything. Comment down below if you do your brows before foundation or after foundation. I know a lot of you do it before and after, but we have some new people on the channel. So let us know down below in the comments, do you do your brows first or after the makeup application? Anyway, E.L.F Cosmetics has one of the best brow pencils, and I'm not just saying that because they are sponsoring this video. A lot of you know this is my holy grail brow pencil. It's the Ultra Precise brow pencil, and I use the shade dark brown. So it does come with a spoolie, and the pencil itself is pretty skinny, so it's going to be easy to apply on your brows. Now we're moving on to the star of the show, E.L.F Cosmetics Camo CC Cream. Y'all know how I feel about this because I have talked y'all's ears off about the CC cream. But if you are new, if this is your first time watching any of my tutorials, this hands down has become my favorite CC cream I've ever tried. It's full coverage, it gives a natural finish, and it has SPF 30 in it, which is a plus. It has hydrating, skin loving ingredients, and it comes in 20 shades. So the shade that I use is 540N, and y'all can see clearly I have been using and abusing my CC cream. Now y'all know I am team sponge on this channel, so I'm gonna take my E.L.F sponge and just take a few squirts of the CC cream, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it onto the skin. Y'all just look at, the best, okay? The best, look at that. So good. So I'm just gonna blend it, and you honestly don't need much of this because it is gonna give you full coverage. So with just those two little pumps that I put on the sponge, I can just work this in all over my face. I mean, just look at this, y'all. Look at the coverage. Honestly, I am not on the hunt for any more CC creams with SPF because this is it. Like, this is it. So I definitely want you guys to let me know if you have already tried out the Camo CC cream. If you haven't, I will have the link down below in the description so you guys can check it out. But let me go ahead and apply some concealer. So the concealer we're using today is the E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer, which a lot of you know is my favorite. I personally, and I know I've said this a million times to you guys, but you know, if you're new, I personally like this one better than their hydrating concealer. And I use Deep Chestnut in this concealer. I think the reason why I like their 16-Hour Camo Concealer more than their hydrating camo concealer is because I like more of a full coverage, not so much like matte finish, but kind of sort of when it comes down to my concealers over a hydrating or like a, you know, super dewy type of concealer, because I have a really oily T-zone, and I'd rather have a concealer that's kind of matte, you know, full coverage, over something that's super hydrating. So I think that's why I like this one. So to set the concealer, we are gonna take E.L.F Matte Setting Powder, and I have the shade Tan. And I'm gonna stick with the same sponge, just kind of pinch it. Let me set the perimeter of my face. So I'm gonna take E.L.F. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in the shade Dark Deep. And this is how she looks. And I'm gonna take my E.L.F. powder brush to apply this. So just lightly brush it to set that CC cream. And if you want, you can also use this color as a bronzer. So I'm gonna go in a little bit more heavy with it, just to bronze up my forehead. Just see how you can actually build the powder up. And that's what I like about this powder. You can build it up. So it goes on pretty sheer, but if you want to build it up to make it look like a bronzer, you can definitely do that. So, and as always, you guys know I'm always using this. This is the E.L.F. bronzer palette in the shade Deep, and I just always take one shade out of it. This one down here, and I use this to contour my nose. All right, you guys know when it comes to eyeshadow, I love doing something really simple, really quick, something that you guys can easily recreate. And I'm definitely gonna do that again today, but we are going to be dipping in a little color today. So this is the E.L.F. Cosmetics Matte for Matte palette, and this one is Jewel Pop. So I think what I want to do first is, let's go in with this tan color right here. So this is going to be our transition shade today. And we're going to put this in the crease. So that way, whatever color I use next is going to easily blend up into the crease. And I really like that this color is really soft, it's neutral, and it goes with all the shades that's in this palette. So let's do, what should we do? Let's do, I don't know. Let's go in with this violet color right here and see how this is gonna look. So let's place this in the crease. Okay, let's go with this lighter blue. And let's take her on the lid, all over the lid actually. Yeah, let's do that. I like. Put a little bit more. Okay, I'm actually really liking this, y'all. Not even gonna lie. I wanna go back in the crease, kind of a little above the crease, taking the same brush. And by the way, I'm wiping the brush off as I go. I'm just wiping it on a dry napkin so that way most of the color can come off of the brush. But anyway, I am going to go back above the crease. And I hope I don't mess this up, but I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Now I will say these shades are super, super pigmented, so I'm just tapping the brush in there like 3 little times. And then I'm going to lightly sweep it above the crease just to kind of warm up that area a little bit. I'm gonna go in a little bit more, just lightly sweeping it above the crease. So not only am I warming it up, I'm also adding a little bit of color. Can y'all even see what I just did? Because I did it so lightly. Let me go in a little bit more. Right there. There we go. We just want a little bit of color, but not too much. Just like that. I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera because that takes the longest, and then we will do the rest of the face. All right, so I went ahead and dusted away the powder, and I also applied the E.L.F. Cosmetics Plump It Up mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go back in with the Ultra Precise brow pencil, just taking the spoolie part and just fixing my brows right here, just to kind of fade them into, just to kind of fade them out a little bit. So I know the face looks pretty matte right now because we applied all the powders, but we are gonna spray it at the end. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the Primer Infused blush, which is my all-time favorite blush from E.L.F. This is in the shade Always Spicy. And if y'all have never tried any of E.L.F. Cosmetics blushes, Definitely try out their primer infused blushes because they are bomb. They're pigmented, they last all day on the face, because you know how some blushes kind of fade away after like a few hours. These will stay on your cheeks all day. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of it and just kind of tap it on the cheeks. I want to actually put a lip on before I spray my face. So E.L.F. Cosmetics Retro Paradise lip liners you need in your life. I really wish that they would sell these separately so I can go ahead and get like 50 million of this one shade. This is Nude 3, I believe, and it comes in a set of 4 lip liners and 1 lip gloss. So I usually use this. Let me kind of take a little bit of this clear gloss that I had on earlier off of my lips. But I use this for pretty much any lip product that I wear because it's just the perfect everyday brown. So I'm just gonna use it to line my lips. And then I'm gonna top my lips off with this Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss in this shade Mint Chocolate. And this is from their new Mint Melt collection. Okay, now it's time to bring the skin back to life. So I'm gonna use 2 of their setting sprays. This one is the All Night Microfine Setting Mist. And then the last one I'm gonna take is the Dewy Coconut Mist, because a lot of you know that I like to put on a dewy mist after I set my face, if that makes sense. So we're gonna go in with this one first. Give a shake. And after that set, I'm gonna go in with my Dewy Coconut Mist and also take it around the face. I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette because that setting spray kind of took away from the blue. Like, it got all over my eyes. I should have just covered my eyes when I was doing that, but we're gonna tap the blue back on the lid just to get more of that pigment on there. Okay, that is so much better. And y'all are about to be so mad at me, but I'm not the biggest fan of blue eyes with the reddish pinkish lip, so I'm gonna change the lip because I'm not really feeling this. It's kind of giving me clown. So let me get a napkin. All right, taking the lip pencil one more time. My vision is a brown lip liner and a really light beige nude on the center. So I'm just gonna take my Artist Couture gloss in the shade Uncensored. E.L.F, if y'all ever come out with a gloss, like another lip lacquer, I want her to be this color, okay? This color. I mean, we can work some things out. So I'm just saying. That's so much better. Yes, I like it. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that dewy spray because I didn't spray enough and I feel like my face is still a little matte. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more on my face. I'm gonna cover my eyes. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If I use anything from E.L.F. Cosmetics that you guys have already tried out, what are your thoughts on the products? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let's talk about it down below in the comments. Thank you so much to E.L.F. Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to use any of the products that I use in today's video, I will have everything linked down below in the description. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.